It's time for another repair job. I've blown this up once before. This is my electronic load. I've somehow managed to blow it up when connected to a 42 volt battery. Don't know how. In the previous video I replaced the MOSFET on there. This gave a big blue spark down in the naughty bits down there somewhere. So we'll have a look if something can be done. Let's have a quick look and see what I've done. Oops. I've gone in so tight I can't even see the meter. Meter's in diode mode. Let's have a check. This is the MOSFET I replaced last time. Just in diode mode, just have a check for shorts. That's all shorted out, that's gone. Now this component looks physically damaged. It's like it's properly burnt. This one is the same as that one. Quick check of the legs. That's a diode. And it's shorted between the two outer pins. There's a bit of a shadow on there, but it was shorter than the two outer pins. Check the other one. There's a diode in there. And it's not shorter than the two outer pins of that one. The writing's very hard to see on it, but they are, whatever they are, 43 CT Q1005 P039X. I'll do an internet search on those and see what they are. So almost it's guaranteed that this one is gone. See if we can get that a bit closer. It's this one by my thumb here. Looks like there's a chunk missing out the outside of it. Anyhow, let's see what they are, see if we can get replacements, or maybe I've got something similar. Now it's these two little components by my thumb there. These are common cathode diodes, or Schottky common cathode diodes, 100 volts, 40 amps each. And that's a MOSFET. I've got another one of those to replace. That's a 26 amp one, 500 volts. And now I've got some new parts for these. These two common diodes. I already have a few of these MOSFETs. Diodes had from RS Online. They are these dual Schottky barrier diode. See the stock number there if you're interested. Let's see if I can easily desolder these two. These are surface mount ones. That's obviously a through hole on the MOSFETs. Let's see if I can apply some fresh solder first. Should make it easier to desolder. Big blob. So I wonder if it's possible to bridge the two contacts together. Oh, the spade's not big enough. Let's try and heat them both up at the same time to lift them up. Nope. That's the two components off. One works, one doesn't. I think That's the busted one. So I'll replace both of them. That's what it looks like. Did I make a mess of that? Probably. So I lifted the pad on that. There's still got plenty of pad left on it. I'll apply some solder wick on there to clean it up. And that's it. It's back together. Well, back together with new bits. New MOSFETs. I'll show that in a sec. And these two surface mount diodes. Schottky diodes. That's the MOSFET I used. It's 26 amp on. It's the highest rating that I've got. I wasn't going to buy a 40 amp one, they're too expensive. Just give this a test and see if that just blows up again. And for my load, I'll use a salvaged single cell LiPo, 3.7 volts. See if this will give me a blue flash. Let me just check polarity on the board first. I'm pretty sure I didn't reverse polarize it last time, but it just blew anyway. Positive. See if we get blue flash like we did last time. No blue flash, okay. Let's turn the currents down. What is that taking? 5 amps, even though these are turned all the way down. Oh dear. Shouldn't go up to 3 amps like that. Oh dear. Looks like something else has blown as well. Popped from something, the control circuitry's gone. Let's turn that up a bit. That's that coarse one. That's supposed to be the coarse one. Straight to 7 amps. Oh dear. So that's it back together the right way around. Just connect it up to my 12 volt lead acid. See if it's still just going insane amounts of current on 0 setting. Huh. Okay. It works. It does indeed work. Just bouncing about just a little bit, that's fine. Let's give it a tiny bit more. So the voltage is dropping. Let's give it 2 amps. Before I assembled this, I put my finger on the MOSFET. It was only on for about 5 seconds and it was roasting hot. So I quickly reassembled that, put some fresh thermal paste on it. Hey, what do you know? I've been putting this off for months. I think it's never going to work again. So the addition of another new MOSFETs and those, I believe they were some kind of diode package. Can't recall what they were now, it was months ago. Success! If that's been useful to you in any way, feel free to buy me a kebab.